What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I have one of my favorite headlight housings of all time, a 95 to 99 Nissan Maxima one-piece R32 headlight housing. These are the headlight housings that started it all for me, from way back in the day when I did RJ's very first build, and then later on my Cephiro build for my i30. I have known and loved these housings and the 4th generation Nissan Maxima from the dearest of my heart for a long time. So today we have Warren's build. This is a very simple, performance-oriented build. His objectives were to look stock and discreet, emphasis on discreet, so that he would be able to pass vehicle inspections and pass this off as stock equipment. So we have an all chrome housing, nothing fancy there. This is the G37R shroud. So if you look into one generation of the Nissan G37, that is exactly the shroud that they use. So I tried to do a little Nissan homage in there. And then for an extra added oomph, we've got the Morimoto 2-stroke 3.0 LED bulb for the high beam. To be clear, this is the Morimoto MD2S projector, which is a bi-xenon assembly. So as I turn that on and it begins to warm up, you will see that it is a 50-watt HID system. So it is extremely bright. It is by xenon, so it's a high beam and low beam all in one assembly. So that is going to be a supplemental high beam. The primary perk of having a really nice LED bulb in the high beam location is that it will match the same color output as your low beam. So it'll be a nice pure white, and then that, once it warms up, will also be a nice beautiful pure white. So now that we're almost pretty much up to temp, I will show you what happens when we drop the high beam on there. As you can see, that's really bright. That is both the solenoid dropping on the HID system and the LED coming on in that assembly over there. Okay, that is the beam output on the wall. When I kick on the high beam, you see that basically that's the HID system. That solenoid drops down and it goes all high beam. And then the LED bulb is really just kind of scattered all over the place, so it's not showing up too well right now in the middle of the day, but I assure you it does add that little extra oomph that we so desire. Okay, that's pretty much all I have to say on this one. Again, it is a discreet, simple, stealthy build purely for performance. I'm extremely pleased with it. Like I said, I love the Maxima platform, and I'm honored to be able to do another one of these builds. In fact, it really just makes me happy that there are still 4th gen Maxima owners out there who are willing to put money into their vehicles for upgrades. That was a beautiful car. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description, so be sure to check that out. If you're interested in a build for yourself, please understand that every build is custom made to order, so your pricing may vary. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and you have yourselves a wonderful day. I shall talk to you later. See ya!